Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to change your notification settings on Chipy.com. As a member of our platform, you have the ability to receive notifications for various reasons, such as community engagement and new games, bonuses, or casinos added to the site. Before you can change these settings, you'll need to log into your account by simply click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Fill in your Chipy username and password in the pop-up that appears and press the orange Login button. Next, hover over your username and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Notifications section located at the bottom of the page. Here you can change your notification settings by ticking or unticking the checkboxes. For example, if you want to receive both on-site and email notifications for new bonuses, make sure both boxes for New Bonus Published are ticked. If you want to learn more about a particular notification type, tap the info icon next to its name. That's it. Make sure to configure them in a way that allows you to stay up to date with the latest releases and get the most out of our platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great time using Chipy.com.